One of the real benefits to starting a new school, as we have done with Aureus School, is the fact that you can choose the technology from the outset. We chose elementary technology because of the service that they provide, and that stemmed from pre-design, so before the school was built, through to procurement and through to installation.
Working with elementary technology from day one was amazing. It just allowed us to form a relationship where we could go back and forth, put together our specific specifications.
We're not coming in with technology that's been here for years, we're coming in with the technology we want to use, and it's fantastic brand new tech.
Partnership is key, and I think the partnership with elementary was very much that they want us as a school to fully maximise the use of the software and hardware they've sold us.
We've had some amazing training, so we kind of know how to use some of these devices, and you'll see a lot of people around the school using visualisers, using the smart boards, using the video walls quite effectively.
Every classroom has the newest technology, and for me as an NQT it was a dream opportunity for the students for teaching and learning.
Things like that video wall that can really hook somebody into an assembly, that's the technology I recommend to every member of staff that I work with.
The package that elementary technology has provided us is far superior to anything I've used before. Just watch the level of enjoyment on the students' face, that just level of engagement, that participation is increased dramatically.
Our vision as a collective is that all of our children will grow, learn and flourish, and I think technology has a real place in contributing to that journey.